Let's create your first class in BoodleBox. This is where you'll organize your terms and attach AI-enhanced assignments for your students. I'll click on Classroom to access my teaching dashboard. Right now, it's empty. No classes or assignments yet. Let's change that by creating our first class. I'll click Create Class and start filling in the details. First, the class name. I'll enter Business Strategy Fundamentals. Next, I can add a term. This is optional but helpful for organization. I'll create a new term called Spring 2026 and set the start and end dates. Finally, I can add a schedule when this class meets. This is optional but really helpful for students to stay organized. Perfect, my class is created. Great, your class is set up, but notice it has no assignments attached yet. Next, we'll build your first assignment in the assignment library so you can attach it to this class.